Yes, children, this is lecture number 6, slide number 23. This is with respect to electrochemical series. So, electrochemical series is an arrangement of different electrodes in the increasing reduction potential values. So, I can also say that it is increasing SRP, standard reduction potential, means standard reduction potential values. Now, you should know, you should memorize some increasing order of metals, children, to uh, for your examination, that is both for the PU part as well as especially for the competitive part. So now let me brief you what is the exact electrochemical series available with us. Now here if you see, we first understand the metals. So we'll take lithium first. Lithium, potassium, lithium, potassium, sodium, then comes barium, then comes calcium. This is the first set of metals. So if you take lithium, I am going to write the standard reduction potential. This is also known as standard electrode potential. According to IUPAC, electrode potential are all considered as reduction potentials. So in volt, I am going to write. So now lithium is having minus 3.04 volt. So like this, the when you go from top to when you move from lithium to calcium, what will happen is negative value of SRP will decrease, which means SRP value increases. Means I am talking about the positive value. If negative value will decrease, positive value will increase. This is the first point you should understand. So for example, when you come to calcium, the value of calcium is minus 2.87. Okay, this is the first set of electrochemical series for which you should remember this mnemonic LP SBC. If you remember this LP SBC, so you will understand this first type of metals. Okay, next when you come down, next set of metals what you have is magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, then comes tin, then lead. So I will give a mnemonic for you: magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, tin. Tin you can write as T only, better. Lead, MaZFTNL. Remember these alphabets. So now magnesium, if you see, what we had calcium minus 2.87, magnesium is having a reduction potential of minus 2.37. See, so from calcium to magnesium, you are able to see the transit. Okay. Now, when you come to lead, lead is having minus 0.13. So, once again, the same thing will apply. What is that? Negative value of SRP decreases means SRP value is increasing down the group, electrochemical series group. Okay, last set of metals in the electrochemical series. Last set of metals in the electrochemical series is the Mnemonicus chap. The Mnemonicus chap. So, what is chap? It is copper, mercury, because mercury has a symbol Hg, so I have taken H. Then silver, gold, then platinum. So, if you remember this much metals, it is far more enough. Now, one more thing which is special here is hydrogen. So, where the hydrogen will come, the position of hydrogen in the electrochemical series is very, very important. Now, if you see copper, so copper is having plus positive value. Copper is plus 0.34. Now, here hydrogen will come. Hydrogen is having 0 volt. Value is 0. Okay, when you come to platinum, when you come to platinum, so platinum as a metal, when you come to below platinum also some compounds are there, some non-metals are there, we will come to that. Leave the value of platinum. So at the last you have some non-metals, the non-metal which you should know is fluorine, least. This is having the least value is very important. This is plus 2.87 volt. Now, we have discussed the complete electrochemical series, children. Okay, we have discussed the complete electrochemical series and I have given some mnemonics, whatever I knew. So, the first mnemonic is LPSBC, which you will remember these elements. Second mnemonic is MAZFNTL. Remember this. You can remember the third one is chap. So, most important thing is in between this chap and the previous mnemonic, you will get hydrogen, because this is called standard hydrogen electrode or She. Okay. Last one is fluorine. So, fluorine, so what is the conclusion of electrochemical series? Lithium is having large negative SRP value. Fluorine is having large positive SRP value. So, we can also say that lithium has least positive SRP value and fluorine has large negative SRP value. This is the first concept video of electrochemical series, video number 1. Following these videos, you are going to have a beautiful concept videos of part 2 as well as part 3. So, please be with me.